fundamental part of human life, and it is one of the great joys that we experience on a daily basis. It is something that brings us together, connects us to our heritage, and nourishes us. However, with the holy month of Ramadan approaching, many people are wondering how to balance their love of food with their desire to lose weight. Ramadan is a month of fasting and spiritual reflection for Muslims around the world. It is a time of community, celebration, and generosity. During this time, Muslims abstain from food and drink from dawn to dusk as an act of devotion to God. However, it's also a time when many traditional Ramadan dishes are prepared and consumed. These dishes are often high in calories and can make it difficult to maintain a healthy diet, especially for those who are looking to lose weight. The good news is that with the right plan, it is possible to enjoy the spirit of Ramadan while achieving your weight loss goals. One of the keys to success is to focus on healthy eating habits. Rather than indulging in high-calorie dishes, try to choose healthier options that are packed with nutrients. This might mean opting for fruits and vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. By doing so, you'll be able to enjoy delicious food while also nourishing your body. Another important aspect of a successful Ramadan diet plan is meal planning. By planning out your meals ahead of time, you can ensure that you have healthy options available when it's time to break your fast. This might involve preparing meals in advance, stocking up on healthy snacks, and making sure that you have plenty of water on hand. Exercise is also an important component of a healthy Ramadan diet plan. While it can be challenging to find time to exercise during the month of Ramadan, even short bursts of physical activity can be beneficial. This might involve going for a walk after Iftar, doing some simple bodyweight exercises, or practicing yoga or stretching. In addition to these practical tips, it's important to stay motivated and focused on your weight loss goals during Ramadan. One way to do this is by focusing on the spiritual aspect of the month. By using this time to reflect on your values, connect with your faith, and practice self-discipline, you can strengthen your resolve and stay committed to your weight loss journey. To achieve successful weight loss during Ramadan, it is essential to understand the basics of a healthy and balanced diet. This means consuming a balanced meal during Suhoor, pre-dawn meal, and Iftar, breaking of the fast. A balanced meal consists of foods from all the major food groups, including grains, fruits and vegetables, protein, and healthy fats. These essential nutrients help to sustain energy levels, regulate metabolism, and support overall health. Examples of healthy Suhoor and Iftar meals include oatmeal with fruits and nuts, grilled chicken with a salad, and whole wheat pita, or lentil soup with whole grain bread. These meals provide a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats, as well as vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables. It's important to note that while it may be tempting to indulge in high-calorie dishes during Iftar, it's important to make healthy choices to avoid overeating and promote weight loss. Opt for grilled or baked dishes instead of fried foods, choose lean proteins like chicken or fish, and incorporate plenty of fruits and vegetables into your meals. In addition to a balanced diet, staying hydrated is crucial during Ramadan. Drinking plenty of water and fluids like coconut water, fresh juice, or herbal tea can help to prevent dehydration and support healthy digestion. When it comes to making healthy food choices during Ramadan, it's important to be mindful of the high-calorie and sugary traditional dishes that are typically consumed. Instead, consider healthier alternatives that still satisfy your cravings. For instance, instead of indulging in baklava or kunafa, try opting for fresh or dried fruit or a small portion of dark chocolate. These alternatives are lower in calories and sugar, and still provide a sweet and satisfying taste. Moreover, traditional Iftar dishes like fried foods and creamy soups are often high in calories and can make it difficult to maintain a healthy diet. Instead, focus on grilled or baked dishes, lean proteins like chicken or fish, and vegetable-based soups. These choices are lower in calories and can help you feel full and satisfied without overindulging. When it comes to incorporating exercise into your Ramadan routine, it's important to be mindful of your energy levels and schedule your workouts accordingly. Light exercises such as yoga, walking, or stretching can be a great option during Ramadan, as they can be done at any time of day and can help improve circulation and reduce stress. Moreover, these low-impact exercises can also help you maintain your energy levels throughout the day, and can be a great way to stay active and energized during the holy month. If you prefer more intense workouts such as weightlifting or cardio, try to schedule them before or after iftar when your energy levels are higher. This will help you avoid feeling sluggish or tired during your workouts and can help you get the most out of your exercise routine. It's important to remember that exercise is an important component of any weight loss plan, but it's also important to listen to your body and adjust your routine as needed. If you're feeling particularly tired or low on energy, consider taking a break or doing lighter exercises until you feel more energized. Overall, incorporating exercise into your Ramadan routine can help support your weight loss goals and promote overall health and well-being. Whether you choose low-impact exercises like yoga, or walking, or more intense workouts like weightlifting or cardio, be sure to schedule your workouts around your energy levels and listen to your body to get the most out of your exercise routine. The key to a successful Ramadan diet plan is to make healthy food choices and incorporate exercise into your daily routine. By doing so, you can enjoy the spirit of Ramadan while achieving your weight loss goals. Remember to listen to your body and be mindful of your energy levels during this month of fasting. With a little bit of planning and dedication, you can have a happy and healthy Ramadan. Allah